Hey there, check out this awesome video that shows you how to earn cash from your smartphone in no time. This free app lets you earn and get paid out almost instantly, like within 1 or 2 days. No more waiting weeks to get your money. It's super easy to use, and you can make extra cash on the side whenever you've got a few minutes to spare. Just watch the full video to see how fast you can start cashing out. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I'm always dishing out cool and super effective ways to make some cash online. The best part? You can do this stuff from pretty much anywhere on the planet. It'd be awesome if you could drop a comment below telling me which country you're tuning in from. That way, I can whip up some videos tailored to your region. Now, let's get started. Earn extra cash with just a few taps. Discover the secret to passive income with TapMob. TapMob is a revolutionary CPA, cost per action app that lets you earn money by simply promoting offers. It's the easiest way to turn your spare time into profit. The best part? There's no limit to how much you can earn. The more you promote, the more you get paid. Imagine being able to make money while you're on the bus, waiting in line, or relaxing at home. TapMob gives you the freedom to earn extra income on your own terms. TapMob's this cool app that's all about mobile, you know? If you're looking to make some cash with it, you gotta use your phone. That's just how it rolls. No worries though, cause whether you're Team Android or Team iPhone, you're covered. They've got the app ready for both. Pretty sweet, right? Alright, so here's the deal with TapMob's earning process. First things first, hop on the app and log in. Then, it's pretty straightforward. Just pick an offer that catches your eye and snag your link. Now, here's where the fun begins. You get to spread that link around like wildfire. Got a bunch of followers on social media? Perfect. Just whip up a post explaining what's what. Toss in your link, and boom, you're in business. So when someone clicks your link, they'll land on this offer page. Now, to actually make some cash from the offer you're pushing, the person who clicked needs to play ball and meet the offer's requirements. Usually, these offers are pretty simple. They'll ask the person to sign up by throwing in their email. So here's the deal with TapMob earnings. It's pretty much all about how many people you can get to convert. Most of the time, you're looking at pocketing somewhere between $3 to $6 for each conversion you snag. Not too shabby, right? The more conversions you rack up, the more cash you'll be pulling in. It's that simple. Once everything checks out, they'll pop that reward right into your TapMob account. Easy peasy. Now, here's the deal with getting paid. You've got options. Want your money fast? No problem. You can ask for it and have it in your hands in about a day or two. You can either get your cash sent straight to your bank account, nice and simple. Or if you're more of a PayPal person, they've got you covered there too. It's pretty much that simple. You know, hundreds of thousands of people are already using TapMob to supplement their income and achieve their financial goals. Why not you? Don't let this opportunity slip away. Download TapMob now and start earning with just a few taps. In the end, thank you for taking the time to watch the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and sharing it with others. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos like this. See you in the next video.